Good evening, Dr. Moore and Dr. Arrington and fellow classmates of HPI. My name's Samuel Cannon. I represent Group 9. My teammates consist of Adam Gilhouse, Sam Said, Gary Montier, and Amanda Westover. I'm here to give you our brief synopsis of our project for video discussion 5. Our organization was the WIN Academy. That stands for What I Need to Know. It is housed in Houston County, Georgia. It serves just under 200 students, and this program is helps students who are considered at risk for various reasons to get on track to help them graduate. The faculty and staff at WIN Academy consists of 5 part-time teachers in content areas, 5 special needs teachers, 1 part-time counselor, and 1 administrator. Our performance statement is teachers are unable to make consistent and meaningful contacts with parents. As we gathered our data through contact logs and grade books of the teachers at WIN Academy and interviewed the administrator and did Google Form surveys with faculty, teachers, and parents and students, we found that 60% of teachers to parent contacts via phone calls and texts are successful. After interviewing an administrator, we would like that number to actually be, desired number to be 85% success rate to teacher to parent contacts via phone calls and texts. So our performance gap is 25% more teacher to parent contacts via phone calls and texts are successful. Now we identified 3 potential causes that may be hindering the success rate of teachers being able to contact parents. Potential cause 1 is environment. The schools do not have the correct student information in the system. What we propose intervention for this potential cause that we've kind of identified in our HPI project is schools will be able to send contact forms home with students to be filled out and return. School will text, call, email, and post on school social media sites a contact form to be filled out and returned within 14 days. This will ensure that all contact information will be on the student, will be up to date and correct in our systems. Potential cause 2. Teachers cannot get the parents to answer or respond to unknown numbers. What we will do, intervention we've proposed to help deal with this potential cause is the WIN Academy will provide an opportunity for a meet and greet with staff and parents to establish a relationship and exchange contact information with each other. Also provide a two-way communication system via Remind. Hopefully this will help to increase the meaningful contacts and the success rate of the teacher-parent relationship and contacts. Our third potential cause is financial instability. In our study, we have discovered that 84% of the student population of the WIN Academy are disadvantaged, and that it is also a Title I school. What we will do to help this is provide mobile hotspots and other means of wireless internet communications to students and parents. This was just a brief synopsis and overview of our human performance improvement project. We hope y'all view this video and enjoy this information. We hope y'all have a Merry Christmas. Go Noles, go Dogs.